How to see who visit your Instagram account after 24 hours. To do that, first of all, make sure to go on the Google Play Store on your phone. After going on the Google Play Store on your phone, just update Instagram to its latest version. After doing that, you can simply open the Instagram account. After opening the Instagram and logging in, you can see an interface like this. In this interface, you can see on the down right side, there is a circle with your profile in it. And when you tap on it, you will now see a new interface. You can see three circles with some photos in it. That is the highlight that you have posted on your Instagram account. And when you want to see the insights and who liked and commented on your stories highlights, you can simply tap on the story highlight that you are curious about. And after this, just scroll it to upwards. After scrolling it to upwards, you can see there is two options, an eye option and a bar diagram option. Clicking on the bar diagram option, it is the option of insight. You can see every details of your account in here. And you can also see who has interacted in your story highlight even after 24 hours. And this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.